Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to today's video. This video contains a list of the top 5 robotic lawn mowers designed to give you time to handle more tasks on Saturday mornings, and less time pushing a lawnmower that will take up all of your time. Which lawn mowers are these? Well, keep watching for those details. Number 1. Best Overall Robotic Lawn Mower. Worx Landroid WR140M 20-volt cordless robotic lawn mower. First on the list is the Worx lawn mower that boasts an outstanding level of performance at a friendly price range. This robotic mower is equipped with a GPS and features Wi-Fi connectivity that allows you to easily control and locate it from your phone, no matter where you are. While it has no remote control incorporated, it boasts an excellent cutting performance and runs very quietly. It's a 20-volt cordless robotic mower with two 8-inch wheels in the rear and a single front wheel. It measures 10 by 15 by 22 inches and only weighs 21 pounds. It clips grass using a spinning disc fitted with 3 high-performance rotating cutting blades with a relatively narrow cutting width of 7.5 inches, making this the perfect robotic mower for smaller lawns, preferably the quarter-acre size lawns. It boasts a cutting height of between 1.5 and 3.1 inches, and you get to easily adjust the lawnmower's cutting height using the big round dial positioned on top of the mower. The rear is also covered, but the cover lifts quickly, revealing a USB port, a battery compartment, as well as a compartment for the Find My Landroid module, giving it its GPS capabilities. A 20-volt 4-amp removable battery powers this mower, and you can use it to power other tools like the edges and power trimmers, and even the weed whackers, among others. It produces a maximum sound of 63 decibels. There's also a 9-button control panel for easy control of the mower. Generally, this lawnmower is one of the most innovative, most durable, and fastest options for you to invest in. Number 2. Best Robotic Mower with Excellent App Controls. Husqvarna 315X. App control is an essential feature for robotic lawnmowers, and this Husqvarna mower boasts of the most versatile, easy-to-use, and reliable apps that make the app very easy to use. It's also essential to note that this mower boasts a state-of-the-art design, which works well alongside the Bluetooth, GPS, and cellular technologies, and connectivity to ensure the best and most effortless use of this robotic lawnmower. It boasts a wide range of cutting styles and heights from 0.8 inches to 2.4 inches, weighs 20.94 pounds, and also has a maximum cutting width of 8.7 pounds. Its mechanical design makes it one of the best options for your lawn and yard. With the apps, you get to manage the cutting schedule and track its location at all times. The best part is that you can control it using voice commands through the Google Home device or Amazon Alexa. It will mow the lawn whether the sun is out or if it's raining, and the small grass clippings will ensure that the grass is fertilized naturally. The maximum noise level from this lawnmower is 60 dBA. Its dashboard screen gives you a breakdown of the current status of the mower. Number 3. Best Medium-Sized Robotic Mower. Husqvarna 115H. With a running time of 1 hour and 50 minutes, and the claimed capacity to mow up to 0.4 acres, this robotic lawnmower is one of the best mowers you could consider investing in if you need help mowing large lawns. It sports a mowing height of between 0.8 and 3.9 inches, which is pretty impressive. The best part is it won't cost you as much as the 315X. It has a shallower slope, and the high cut of 2 inches makes it an even better choice for most homeowners. The 8.7-inch cutting width makes it even better. This mower is also fitted with top-notch technological features and a brushless motor, plus stainless bearings and blades made of carbon steel, all ensuring an unparalleled cutting performance. And despite the apparent randomness of the mowing pattern, the result is an even mowed section with no track marks. The technologies incorporated in include the battery-powered Connect at-home design that allows you to configure it in minutes, and the noise reduction motor designed for a quieter mowing experience. It also sports a lift and tilt sensor to prevent collision while automatically shutting off the mower to prevent collision, keeping your pets and kids safe. It's also waterproof, meaning that you get to schedule it to use during day or night. Number 4. Best Lightweight Robotic Mower. Gardena 4069 R80Li. This is another powerful battery-powered robotic mower with a cutting height ranging from 0.7 inches to 2 inches. You can easily adjust this cutting height by using a rotary knob. Its automated setup allows you to mow the lawn at any time thanks to the easy connectivity and access from your phone, as well as the large display panel. It also boasts excellent cutting results, and it works well in different weather states, whether it's rainy and wet or dry out and shiny. In addition to its autonomous function, it also is energy efficient and runs quietly. The best addition is an anti-theft protection function. The low noise and the emission-free setup make this a worthy robotic mower for you to invest in. It's also easily customizable, and you can place wire boundaries on where the mower can mow. It weighs 16.5 pounds, meaning that it's stable but easy to store. Number 5. Best robotic mower for medium to large lawns. Husqvarna Automower 430XH Robotic Lawn Mower. If you're looking for a robotic lawn mower that will get through the medium and larger yards, then this Husqvarna robotic lawn mower might be the best option for you. It can handle 0.8-acre lawns or yards, and in addition to having complete control of the lawnmower from your smartphone, you also get to enjoy the quiet operation of this mower. You can control it using Amazon's Alexa or Google Home, and you only need to make sure that they're connected to the Automowers Connect app. The lawnmower also boasts an overall quiet operation. Other nifty features incorporated in this mower include the special wheel caps, LED headlights, GPS tracking navigation, and theft tracking function that works very well for this X-Line series mower. You also get to set up the boundary lines that the mower can mow in. Its 4G connectivity is also quite impressive and reliable. This mower is powered by a brushless, high-quality motor, carbon steel blades, as well as rubber ceilings that ensure reliable and long-lasting performance from the mower. Not to mention the high-quality cutting performance and results. Its cutting technique involves seamlessly random patterns that leave no track marks, but have a very smooth and carpet-like yard. Verdict: the best robotic lawnmowers are designed to ensure the smoothest, carpet-like look on the lawn, and you will have complete control over its operation. The robotic lawnmowers above are some of the best options for reliable hands-free operation.